Shalom, this is Yehudit Goldfarb from Tzfat. It's Friday afternoon of the 10th of Tevet, fast day today. And I'm a little late in doing my video, but I hope to get it out before Shabbos, if not right after Shabbat. So today is I'm doing the 100-day count of Sarah meditation square. It's the 7th day on the meditation square. It's the Zadi and Dalet. It's 94 is the number in that square. It's the combination of Keter, the top row, the horizontal row, the house of Keter, and the room is the 7th room in that row, which is Netzach. So it's a Kamatz and a Harik combined for the nikudot, corresponding to the Sefirot for the Sarah square. And then for the Anabakoach that I'm also sharing with you, there we're in the second line and the second word. So it's Gevura Sheba Gevura, and the word is Renat. And it's Kabel Rina, Renat, Kabel Renat, Rina. It's like a songful, but songful prayer. So it's the meaning of that. So the meaning of 94 in the 7th square is something that's the open question, and maybe I'll say a few words, or you explore it for yourself as you do the movements. So we're going to start with, again, a review of the Zadi. So lifting the left heel, the left hand's forward, the right hand comes back and bends, and lifting the right knee. I'm a little out of balance, sorry. This is a little bit too close to me. Zadi. If it's the right heel comes off, the right hand goes out. Turning forward, the left bends, and you create like an opening, like a vessel, like a funnel for divine revelation to come down with the Zadi, because you're in Keter, to that sense of being open to the presence. And in the Zadi, in the middle of the word, you have a knee bend. Okay, as we saw in Anabakoach, when you repeat the initials of each word for the 42 letter name of God, then the Zadi, even the middle Zadi or the first Zadi of the part of the word, turns into a final Zadi like that, which has a straight bottom, which considered one of all the final letters are letters for the time of Mashiach, the end of time when things will be straightened that now are seen bent. That's a teaching in Kabbalah. So the Zadi, equal to 90, goes with a Dalet. So as you know, if you've been with me, I have many different Dalets. And I think I'm going to use the swing Dalet, which is bending, hands come up with the head up. Then you bend the head as one hand comes around, heel comes off and down. Okay? It's a little more complicated than that. It's swing up and down, and then from here, that's the Dalet. You lift your head, and it's right foot off and down. So there's a roll as you come back. If I do the right side, right heel is off and down, and then the left heel, right heel, left heel, right heel. So there's a roll bringing the second half of the Dalet down. Out, around, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like opening the door and then grounding whatever it is you're bringing through. So my sense, in the 7th place, the 7th room, like when we're using sevens, it's usually Malkhut. So there's something about, in my sense of the shape of the letters, And you can explore this for yourself. For me right now, what's coming through is a sense of bringing in the energy and then grounding it through the doorway. And it's a Netzach place, the 7th out of 10 Sefirot as you're coming down. Netzach is a sense of purposefulness and focus. So this is my pulling in from above. What is my mission? What am I supposed to be doing here? And beginning to open the doorway to making that happen. It's just one of my associations. That's how I think with these. But let's do the taking that, the Zadi combined with the Dalet, 94 number, and take it through the body, through all the Sefirot from Keter to Malkhut, and see what it feels like. So I'm going to start on the left side. Sa, with the sound of Kamatz. Da. And on the right side, the Patah, Chachma. Ta. Da. Bina. Right. Zadi first. Say. Sere. Day. Hesed, the Sagol. Ta. Da. Gevura. Shva. Na. Tse. Da. Cholam, can do it on the right. Tiferet. So, Do. Staying on the right for Netzach and the Harik. Tzi. D. I'm going to hold on the left, the kibbutz. Two. Do. On the right is Sod, the Shruch. Two. Do. And silence being breathed on the left with Malkhut. Letting myself be breathed. So that's the 7th room in the first house of Sarah Meditation Square. 94 is the number assigned that square. And now the Sefirot that I'm using is Keter, combining with the Harik, the Kamatz combined with a Harik for Netzach, Keter and Netzach. Sense of presentness, isness, and within that purposefulness and focus. Feet shoulder width apart. Do it 5 times for 5 levels of soul. Ah. Nefesh. Ah. E. Letting myself feel the energy of that from crown to feet into the earth, being breathed by Hashem. Now, Anabakoach, the word Rinat. So it's a Resh. I'm going to do the alternating feet Resh, so it's a left heel off, right heel off, then the heel comes down as the hands go out and the head bends, lifting the head and open. Nun is half a step forward, hands come up, your weight changes very subtly towards the front foot, back, and come back down again and bring the foot back. And then a tav to the side. Again, the seed movement coming up, over, bend the knees, palms to the earth, with the hips come back up for a tav, bend and come up and around and close. Do it 4 times for the 4 worlds. So Silut, Bria, Resh, Nun, Tav. Resh, Nun, Tav. That was Yetzirah, now Asiya. Notice I keep alternating sides where I start. Left heel, right heel, down, lifting the head, opening, Resh, and on the left, Nun, half a step forward, back, and Tav to the side, healing the earth. And pause. Place of joyful prayer. A good word for a fast day, the 10th of Tevet. So that's the eighth word in the sequence. It's the second and the second verse. So we do Gevura Sheba Gevura. The second whole verse is Gevura. So that explains the blues. I'm wearing the rainbow system of equivalence. Blues for Gevura Sheba Gevura, yellows for the Netzach, and the white for the Keter. White with a little bit of gold. Okay, so it sparkles. Gevura is the Shvana, so we're doubling that for 3 levels of soul. Neshamah, Ruach, and Nefesh. And then the review of all the first letters so far in Anabakoach. The Aleph, Bet, Gimel, centered Yud this time, Yud, Tav, and final Zadi, because that's how it's usually printed. And then for the second verse, Kuf, And now, Resh. And I feel I would like to end with bringing the Sefirot all the way down from Keter, grounding, perhaps because I'm fasting, grounding my energy solidly and bringing the light down through me as a vessel for divine energy and light. Ah. Ah. O. E. Ooh. Ooh. So many blessings to you this 10th day of Tevet, the 7th day of the Sarah Meditation Square, and the 8th day of Honor Vakoa. Be well and Shabbat Shalom.